Oh, look, I have a goatee now. I'm so vain. Like, who really frickin' cares, huh? Goatee. And, oh, yeah, that's right. I drove 1,700 miles the wrong way. But maybe it was the right way for you know who. Yeah, my ex-fiance, and my ex and soulmate, and and yeah, and well, I'm sorry I haven't posted up and my awesome and videos for you here. It's been quite the going. I I don't know. Did I mention I have a goatee now? And yeah, that's right. And the relationship didn't work out. I make much better videos without her because she was always and well oh yeah, and look who's here. We've been up for 3 days straight, turning wrenches. It's righty tighty, lefty loosey. Ha ha ha. I drove 1,700 miles without stopping, and she's going to live in her van now, and some people say she was never really happy, and that enough. And where's Jax? Jax the talking cat. And
I'm right here, douchebag. Yeah, you heard me. Enough. 1,700 miles. He had to return back to her van. You know he made her pay for gas, right? I just made that up, but I bet it's true. Yeah, it's just him and I now. And the cat people. You know who I'm talking about. The cat people. People that donate to this. Please. It doesn't matter what people tell you about your videos. They suck, dude. God, enough. So-called professional constantly with the and us here. I know it's a cheap shot, but it's real. And us. Enough. Oh yeah. Hey Wayne, what's going on? Wow, really? I don't know if that's true or not. Seems like it is. Oh well, I guess the Fair Use channel and the video review channels are gonna have a field day now, huh? The breakup of who? Please. This guy is so frickin' vain. He was more concerned about his new... oh, look, I've got a goatee. Yeah, right. Please. I do feel sorry for her, but at least this time he didn't dump her off in the middle of nowhere with a text message. Yeah, like I said, we all knew that this was how it's gonna play out. And we feel... well, I do. She was a sweetheart, but she has issues there. She knew better. Like I said before, once you break a woman's heart, they never trust you, ever again. Thank you for your time. More later, I guess. I don't know. Yeah. He doesn't... maybe he'll go to Oklahoma. Or back on... hey, why don't you go back to Fred Flintstone's motel? All this is played out, okay? Not funny. Well, YouTube is one big joke. Wait, have you ever thought of going to SlowTube? SlowTube. Have you ever been to SlowTube? Nobody knows what you're talking about, SlowTube. Go. Oh, my bad.